Hello everyone and welcome back to the Odoo 18 functional tutorials by Techultra Solutions. In this video, we'll dive into the dropshipping feature in the inventory module, exploring how it streamlines the order fulfillment and automates the supplier shipments. So stay tuned for a detailed walkthrough. Now, dropshipping in Odoo 18 is a fulfillment method where a business sells products without holding the inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Odoo automates the entire process by generating the purchase orders linked to the sales orders, ensuring the seamless order fulfillment. To enable dropshipping, you must activate the feature in the inventory app settings and configure the products with the dropshipping routes while assigning a vendor. When a sales order is confirmed, Odoo automatically creates a purchase order for the supplier with the customer's address set as the delivery location. Once the supplier ships the product, Odoo registers the delivery without affecting the internal stock. Now, the supplier then invoices your company for the purchase and you generate an invoice for the customer. Now, this process eliminates the need for warehousing, reduces logistics cost, and automates the order and supplier management. So, dropshipping in Odoo 18 provides a streamlined solution for businesses looking to optimize the supply chain and focus on sales rather than the inventory handling. Now, let's list down some of the benefits of dropshipping in Odoo 18. First one is no inventory cost, no need to stock the products. Second one is the automated workflow. Odoo links the sales order to suppliers automatically. Third one is the faster order fulfillment. Products go directly from the supplier to the customer. And the last one is the scalability. Expand product offerings without additional warehouse space. So let's get started and see how this dropshipping feature is useful in actual business scenario. So now we will configure dropshipping in Odoo 18. For that, the first step is to enable the dropshipping. For that, we need to open our inventory module. And you're in the configuration settings. Now you're in the settings, you need to make sure to enable the dropshipping under the logistics section. Here I have already enabled it. Now the second step is to configure the products for dropshipping. So for that, navigate to products menu and here in the products. So we just need to enable the dropshipping feature for the particular product. So I'm just taking LED TV already created as a product here. So here in the inventory tab, we need to make sure that the dropship routes is enabled along with the buy. And you can just simply save it. After that, you need to make sure that this in the purchase tab, you need to assign a vendor to this product. So I have already assigned Deco Addict as a vendor for this particular product. Now the significance of enabling this dropshipping route in the product is it automates the supplier shipments directly to customers, bypassing the warehouse stock. It links the sales order to the purchase order, ensuring seamless order fulfillment. This reduces the warehousing cost and improves the efficiency and streamline the supplier coordination. Now, once we have enabled the dropshipping feature and we have set the routes to this particular product, the next step, which is the third step, is to create the sales order. For that, we need to move to our sales module and we need to create a new sales order. So here we need to add the customer. I'm just adding Anita as my customer here. And then we need to add the product configured for dropshipping. So I'm just adding my LED TV product. Set the quantity, I am editing it to 2. Set the unit price for this particular product. After adding the details, you can just simply confirm this quotation and the sales order will be generated. And here you can see a purchase smart button has been popped up once you have confirmed your sales order. So this is our fourth step, which is Odoo automatically creates a purchase order in the purchase module. So this is the fourth step in which the Odoo automatically creates the purchase order in front of this sales order. So I am just quickly opening it. So here you can see we have added the Deco Addict as a vendor. So in the vendor field, you can see the name of Deco Addict, and here you can see deliver to is the dropship feature, and the dropship address is of Anita, which is our customer whose name we have created the sales order. And here you can find the product added. So in this way the purchase order is created, and here you just need to confirm this purchase order, and here you can see a drop ship smart button is there, so we'll just quickly open that. Now, this dropship indicates that the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Here you can see the contact is Deco Eric, the operation type is the dropship, and the source location is from the vendor to the customer as the destination location. Here you can find the product with the demand and the quantity. So, demand is 2 and the quantity we are delivering to our customer is also 2. So here you just need to click on this validate so that the Odoo registers the delivery as complete. So we'll move back to our purchase order, and here you can find the option to create a bill. So click on that. So here you can find the vendor bill for the whole process. Here you can add the bill date and you can simply confirm this bill. Now we'll just move back to our purchase order, and here we can move to our sales. Here you will find an option to create an invoice, so just click on this, and here you can see an invoice will be created for our customer Anita. Here you can add the invoice date, and yeah, you can just simply confirm this invoice. So the invoice is created. Now we'll just move back to our sales order, and here you can find the different smart buttons where you can find your purchase order triggered in front of the sales order, the invoice created for this particular sales, and the dropship delivery created in front of the purchase, which means that in this way we don't have to maintain the inventory for the product and we can directly deliver the product to the customer via the vendor. So that wraps up our exploration of dropshipping in Odoo 18's inventory module. We have covered how dropshipping automates the order fulfillment, eliminates the need for warehousing, and ensures seamless supplier to customer deliveries. By configuring the right routes and automating the purchase order, businesses can optimize their supply chain and improve efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techultra Solutions for more such Odoo 18 tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.